Okay, this is section 4.3, part 2. So now we're going to do the theory-based approach section of the worksheet. So we're going to go to the theory-based inference applet. So here, theory-based inference applet. And then select, so it's on one proportion as the default. You want to go to one mean because that's our situation. You can either copy and paste your class data or just enter the samples. So I can, if you click here, paste data, then you might want to, you don't want to include the, you want to include only numbers. So include only numbers, clear, paste, use data. Okay. Or I could also say includes header. So I could go here again, copy the whole thing, and I could go back here, clear this data, includes header, clear, there you go, use data, there we go. So now it's called sleep. All right. So, so calculate. So our sample size is 22, our mean is 6.7, our standard deviation is 1.297. All right, confidence interval. And so then move over here. Okay, calculate CI. Okay, so report the 95% confidence interval compared to the interval you found in number 6. Are they about the same? Same midpoint, same width? Could you have anticipated this? Explain your reasoning. You should have an answer to every one of those questions when you do this, when you turn this in. Also remember your numbers will be different from mine because I'm using an old class data and you have your current class data. All right. So this is when we're working with small samples of quantitative data, then what we're using is the T distribution. The T distribution is it's the theory-based interval for population mean. Requires that the quantitative variable should be of a symmetric distribution, or you should have at least 20 observations, and the sample distribution should not be strongly skewed. Okay. So, exercise 439 are the validity conditions for using the two standard deviation or T distribution based method to find a confidence interval met for your class data. Explain why or why not. So in mine, I have just over 20. And they're roughly bell-shaped, so it's my conditions are met. You'll have to answer for your own data for your answer. All right. So, in summary, that's the end of it. X bar plus or minus multiplier times S over square root of n. Okay. So there are different ways to calculate T based on numbers of samples, but this is automatically done for you in the app that we use. All right, that completes this section.